I've obviously wax soiled the step. A few bits of grass have got stuck in it, never mind. But I felt a bit weird putting a dry piece of rubber on top of it. So I've got some stuff that's bumper and trim gel, and it's sort of silicone based, so I'd like to think that if any moisture got there that it wouldn't hang around, it would sort of dissipate. I don't know, maybe I'm mad, but I just felt weird putting it on dry, so I've lubed it. And it's got to tuck up under this lip. I'm trying not to get it close to here, because that is fresh paint, but this won't touch the fresh paint. I've already tried that. Lyndon got me some really nice shiny screws, and the others were so rusty. Right, let's get one in to begin with. Oh shit, they're too long. Well, for now, when I put the rubber in, I'm going to have to use these Phillips screws. Not ideal, but hey, better than nothing. At the moment, I'm just going to rivet on this rubber strip I nearly forgot about. Let's do one of the edges and the corners here. This is Lyndon's rivet gun. It seems to take 3 pumps to get it to go. There we go. Oh, excuse me. So that is the rivets in. The rubber trim channeling is in. So let's go and get that epoxy mat again. Well, I've decided to use these silver ones. I've got these black ones, but I don't know, they don't recess. They sort of stick out. And I think they're meant to sort of sit flush. So I think these are going to be the best. I mean, the only thing is they stick down quite a lot. Let me just put a black one in and just have a look. I guess as long as I don't know. What looks better? That silver one that's sort of recessed, or this black one that sticks up, but it does camouflage into the rubber because it's black. And I suppose you risk them rubbing on the carpet, don't you? I think as a temporary thing, the silver ones are going to be better until I perhaps get some flathead screws that actually fit. Yeah, these will do. Oh, I think that looks smart. Nice new shiny screws. I'm pretty sure they're like stainless or something, because I tend to buy that sort of stuff that doesn't rust. I mean, they could stay there. They are a bit long, so if you put your hand under there, you can feel the sharp edge of the screw. So I would prefer some shorter, just like this, shorter flathead with a taper, so they recess into the rubber. So I'll have to look for some. Oops, sorry. I'll have to look for some on my travels. But the next stage is gluing this seal on. That'll be fun. See if it sticks to the wax soil. Fun, 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 fun. Fun, 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 fun. Let's see, first of all, if we can stick this door seal up here on. It's quite easy. Hopefully it will stay there. And then this one's too short, so that's for a back door. And then this one, I mean, it will just sit in there. Well, I'll put glue as well. Hopefully. Hopefully this will work. The main thing is I'm going to put glue on this leading edge here. Wee 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 wee. Try not to get it on the face of the rubber that everyone's going to see. Underneath doesn't matter too much. Try and get glue on there. I'm just doing one side at a time here, so this is hopefully going to stick one bit on. And I'm going to go for putting that in there first, feeding it along, making sure we've got enough. That looks good. Ooh. Now, is that going in the channel? I think it is. Not just under the rubber. No, it's in the channel. Oh, that's satisfying. That is, pushing that in there. Oh, it's been ages since I've had a seal down here. That's going to look beautiful when it's done. Alright, let's do this other side. Using a lot of glue, but I don't want the blue thing to come off because it's in the major area, you know. You could easily kick it off with your shoe when you're getting in and out. So let's make sure it's in there good and proper. Push it in. Oof, yes, satisfying. Sorry if I'm getting too carried away with it. That is absolutely gorgeous. Oh yes. And we'll let that dry, and we can give that a beautiful rub over with the back to black type stuff. And I reckon that and that will sort of mould together. That's beautiful. Oh, look at this, look at this. Ooh. That is nice. I am way too happy about that. Oh, it's just so nice to know there's no rust there. You know, this bobbly bit here, that's because someone's done some dodgy welding underneath. But although it's dodgy welding, I know that that's not pushed out because it's rusty. I'm happy with that. That's fine. That can stay like that. Very happy. I've lubricated all the hinges. Check strap makes a little squeaky noise, so I'll have to try and get in there and oil that. But oh. And I know that that under there now is sealed. Oh. Thanks for watching. Bye.